Hey, my friend Adam here. If you're trying to break into marketing, you're going to want to hear this because there's an untapped opportunity that could change everything for you. I'm talking about local businesses, tons of them, practically begging for marketing help. And most people out there are completely missing out on this. But here's the kicker. This isn't some complicated, expensive strategy. What I'm about to share with you is a shockingly simple method that gets local businesses practically begging you for your help. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me for just a second here, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works and why it's 100% legit. So, here's the deal. There's a free 3-day workshop coming up on October 14th at 12 p.m. Eastern, and it's designed to help get you your first paying customers fast, without cold calling, without spending even a single penny on ads, and in a way that's completely beginner-friendly, which means you can apply these strategies no matter who you are, where you're starting from. And you're going to get access to all of the tools and the templates and the strategies that you need to make this happen. Like I said before, it's free. So here's what you're going to learn during the workshop. Day one is all about overcoming overwhelm. So here you're going to discover the one big problem that local businesses are facing right now and how you can use a super simple solution to help them solve it and make a lot of money doing it. And trust me, it's not just about selling software, it's about solving problems. Day two is going to show you how to attract local businesses as clients. You're going to see exactly how to attract businesses that already know you and do it all without feeling salesy. You're also going to get the exact email templates and scripts that make reaching out easy, even if you hate selling. Day three is going to show you how to close deals like a pro. No hard selling required, as you're going to get access to a pre-recorded demo that does all of the heavy lifting for you. The result is sales without having to sell, which is pretty cool. Now, one of the keys behind this new strategy is something called hyperlocal targeting, and here's what makes this so incredibly effective. Local businesses like your barber, your dog walker, your mechanic, well, they're always looking for more ways to get more and better customers, more profits, less stress. HighLevel, which is the software that you're going to use to help do all of this, is specifically designed to help with that. And after you show them how it works, they're going to be asking you how they can get started. And here's the best part. All of this is completely pre-programmed for you. This is 100% beginner-friendly, and you don't need any previous experience or tech skills to make this work. You're going to get a ready-made website, you're going to get email templates and social media videos, and tons more. Everything is set up to get your results fast. You're also going to get one-on-one Zoom calls with high-level experts who will help you set everything up for free. And if you act fast, well, you might even land your first paying customer before the event even starts. How cool would that be? So if you're ready to start landing customers, become the go-to marketing expert in your community, and get all of this help for free, then you need to jump on this. Spaces are obviously extremely limited here and enrollment closes soon, so make sure to click the link down below, grab your spot now, and I'll see you in there. And if you just so happen to need a little bit more info before signing up, well, here's a video from Kern, who's going to be hosting the event. So let's see what he has to say.
This 3-day workshop will help you get your first customers or you pay nothing, guaranteed. The whole thing is actually free. You're going to be selling in-demand marketing. This 3-day workshop will help you get your first customers or you pay nothing, guaranteed. The whole thing is actually free. You're going to be selling in-demand marketing software to small businesses, and these businesses are going to be coming to you and they're going to be asking you how they can become your customer, and the cost is absolutely nothing. In addition to the free event, you're also getting a free trial to the software that you're going to be selling. That software is called HighLevel. It is being used by 1.4 million businesses globally. And the coolest part is that when you get a customer, whatever you charge that customer goes directly to you. They give you the money and you get to keep all of the money that the customer gives you. You don't have to share it with anyone else. And to make things even cooler, HighLevel has also provided done-for-you websites, trainings, sales scripts, sales videos, sales materials, sales demos, and more. Let me show you exactly what we're going to be doing together during this event. So, first of all, like I said, this is a live 3-day event, and it is taught by me, Kern, live over Zoom. We're going to go for about an hour every day for 3 days. Now, I'm going to splice in some video of people from HighLevel saying really nice things about me. A little bit awkward, but it feels better if they say it.
Frank Kern is a name that needs no introduction. He's the go-to expert for anyone serious about scaling their business.
That was awfully nice of them, wasn't it? I wouldn't want to say it about myself personally, but anyway, listen. I've taught this workshop before already, and it was absolutely fantastic. It went really, really well, and people loved it. I know you're going to love it too. The whole purpose of this 3-day workshop is to help you get your first paying customer really, really fast. And the way we're going to do it is super simple. Like, we're not going to deal with any technical overwhelm. I'm not going to show you like 9 million steps you have to follow. There's not going to be anything weird or icky. I've taught this before and we got amazing results, and you're definitely going to love it. Especially if you don't like selling, like, trying to be pushy or anything like that, because that's not fun and nobody likes doing that. And no one likes being on the receiving end of it. So the whole purpose of this thing is to not only help you get your first customer like really fast, hopefully during the actual workshop, but it's to show you how to do it in a way that's enjoyable and fun and sustainable. So you'll like want to keep on doing it. And on top of all of that, you're also getting a 14-day free trial to HighLevel. That's the software that you'll be selling. You probably know this already, but HighLevel is an amazing system. I've been a customer since 2021. I use it every day. It's fantastic. And as part of our effort to get people coming to you and asking you about becoming your customer instead of the other way around, HighLevel is also giving you a free professional website with a brand new pre-recorded presentation that does all the heavy lifting for you, and it's specifically designed for local businesses that are in your area. It's awesome. On top of that, we've made pre-made social media video posts that are specifically designed for what we call hyperlocal customers, that are going to be customers that are within your immediate area. So you don't even have to like create your own social media posts. You can literally use HighLevel to make these posts and start generating interest that way. It's really, really cool. And the coolest part, I think anyway, is with the help of this new software that HighLevel is giving you free access to, I call it the Marketing X-ray software, we're going to find perfect customers for you, that there's like undeniable proof that you can help them. And it's going to show you exactly who they are, where they are, and how to get them coming to you. So you literally like just type stuff in and press buttons and you can see them. It's incredible. Plus, the question is, of course, well, what do you do with them when you know who they are? Well, here's the answer. I have written this for you. I know it's a cheesy name. I call it the magic email. And this is a single email that you send that makes local businesses reach out to you. And it's really cool because it uses like really major psychological triggers that are ethical and pleasant and fun. And it's not salesy and it works. I'll show you some proof that it works in a minute. But we're helping you that way, so you don't have to think about what to write or what to do. It's all super simple, super easy. And when they do reach out to you, you'll learn exactly what to say because we've created a pre-made zero tech demonstration where you can just show them exactly how you can help them get results. And that thing really does all of the heavy lifting for you. Seriously, you don't even have to log into software to use this demonstration. It's amazing. And when you're doing this demonstration for them, you'll be learning and using this entire reverse selling approach that seriously is specifically designed to get them to ask you about becoming your customer when you're done. So there isn't any of this objection handling stuff. There's no salesiness. It's really amazing. As a matter of fact, we don't even use a sales script. It's just like 4 simple bullet points, and it's 100% honest. And if you've never done it before and you're new, it's totally okay to tell people that. It actually works in your favor. This is such a cool workshop. I'm so excited to be sharing it with you. And there is more. And this might be the coolest part. HighLevel has set aside an entire team to give you live one-on-one help over Zoom to set everything up. So you can when somebody says yes, you'll be able to actually deliver for them and get them great results. So you don't have to figure out the techie stuff. You don't have to read the directions. They will literally jump on Zoom with you for free and show you how to set all the stuff up. It's absolutely incredible. You're getting all of this along with this live 3-day event that, again, I'm teaching personally. It's literally about as close as possible to a plug-and-play system that you can think of, because you're getting a website, you're getting pre-written emails that are tested and proven. I'll show you the results of these in a minute. You get the demo that you don't even have to actually log into any software to show people how well it works and how it can help them. And you're getting the non-sales reverse psychology sales presentation training that actually makes people say, well, okay, what do we do now? And they ask you about becoming your customer. So it's really, really cool. I think you're going to love it. And of course, one of the best parts is it's like literally totally free. So on day one, here's what we're going to do. Have you ever like tried something before and you found it to be overwhelming? This probably isn't your first rodeo, right? Like you might have tried other programs and things and maybe they worked out great and maybe they were hard. And usually when people don't get the results they want, it's because they feel overwhelmed and they can get freaked out. And I understand because I've been there myself like a million times. So what we do on day number one is we make everything really, really simplified. And what you end up discovering on day one is that in reality, even though, yeah, technically we're selling software, that's not actually what we talk to people about. You don't have to pretend like you're some amazing technical wizard. You don't have to pretend like you're part of some big company. In fact, what you'll discover on day number one is that it's totally okay and even in your advantage to be new and super local and small in terms of not being a huge business. So in day number one, our main focus is really to give you confidence so you'll feel good going into day number two. Because on day number two is where the rubber really hits the road. So now that you're feeling really, really good and you understand that like, oh my gosh, all these beliefs that I thought I had, they're not true. And this is way simpler than I ever thought it could be. Coming into day number two, it's all about how the actual hyperlocal sales process works. It is the simplest sales process I've ever seen. Like, I seriously can't imagine anything more basic and more effective in terms of getting customers, not just your first customer, but like forever using this type of method. It's amazing. So what we're going to do on day number two is I'm going to be sharing with you the entire process, which is really easy, is like 4 steps. But then what you're also going to be getting is I'm writing you, I've actually already written it, something that I call the magic email. And I'm going to give that to you on day two. So on day two, you're going to like using that marketing x-ray software, you're going to know who your perfect prospects are. It's like unbelievable. And you're going to get this magic email to send them. That's like so cool because it's not salesy and they actually like getting it and it like appeals to their ego and makes them like you. It's really, really cool. And I'll show you how to deploy that. So at the end of day two, you'll actually be able to like start getting people coming to you. And that is exactly what we deal with on day number 3. So on day number 3, what will happen if you're following along, especially if you do like what we just did when we did this event the last time, is at the end of the day two, I give you the magic email and I'm like, okay, just send this to 10 people and see what happens. All right. And what you'll probably see, hopefully, is that people will actually respond to you and they'll be like, okay, sure, like this person over here, I've blurred out their names and faces because I don't know if I have their permission to like use their likeness in this video. But this dude got 14 people saying they were interested, like right after I gave him the magic email. Here's another person that actually like made some sales, and I'm blurring out their info there for privacy reasons. Here's another person that got a client. Here's another person that's like sent the magic email, got an amazing reply. Here's another person that's like, oh my God, this is a lot of response from this super simple email. So day number 3 is all about like, hey, what do you do when they respond? And they're, like, how do you turn that response into a demo, into a sale? And that's where you're getting the pre-built zero tech presentation along with the bullet pointed non-salesy reverse psychology system. Literally, it's designed to get them to say, okay, well, wait, how do we get started? It's amazing. You're going to love it. It works really, really well. So the bottom line is during this workshop, our sole mission is to help you get your first customer fast, maybe even more than your first customer. But we just want to make everything simple and fun and focus on results and make it so you don't feel overwhelmed or stressed out or anything like that. So you have a good time, because why bother if it's not fun? And you know what? What's really cool is when you do get a customer, like imagine you take this free trial to HighLevel and we do this event and then you actually implement what I'm going to show you how to do and you get a customer. What's really cool is you can keep 100% of your profits. So if they pay you, they're paying you. You don't have to like give it to HighLevel or anything. It's literally your customer. It's unbelievably cool. I thought it was too good to be true when I first heard about it back in 2021. So I used HighLevel for a year as just a regular customer. I never even tried to resell it. Then in 2022, I started selling it as a white label reseller, which you'll learn how to do during this workshop. And between 2022 and 2024, I did $6.41 million in sales of it. So I can tell you it works. And I didn't have to like give them part of my 6.41 million bucks. It was amazing. So anyway, kind of getting ahead of the story, but the bottom line here is if you get a customer, you get to keep whatever you're collecting from the customer. It goes to you. It's not a commission or anything. It's like yours. Anyway, you get it. However, look, there's a warning. This is real. Like I know a lot of people are like, hey, warning that, this is limited, but this really is limited. And it's limited for two reasons. Number one, HighLevel is giving you one-on-one help. Like you can seriously get on Zoom with someone from HighLevel one-on-one, and they will help you set everything up, and that's free. So they don't have a billion people working for them, so they can only take so many people into this workshop, or else they won't be able to do the live one-on-one stuff for people, and that wouldn't be cool. So they have to limit it for those reasons. And when the event actually starts, you'll see a timer on this page or whatever. When that starts, registration will close because it's live and it would be weird to join in the middle of it. We want to do all 3 days because they all kind of build upon each other and they're all super fun. So what you need to do is enroll right now for free. When you do, you get everything that you see on this page. You get access to the live workshop. I'm teaching it personally. You get the pre-built website, the pre-made video sales presentation that's amazing. All of it is specifically designed for local businesses. You get the magic email plus. I've also written a 2.0 version of the magic email to make it work even better than it did last time I taught this workshop, which was ridiculously good results in the first place. And you get all of these automated playbooks and templates and things like you're going to see on this page. Plus, you get access to an amazing community and you get free live one-on-one help setting everything up. It's so cool. So there's no reason in the world not to do this unless you just don't want to get customers, which if you don't, that's fine. That's your choice. But assuming that you would like to get really cool customers who think you're awesome and you really actually help them and you get them in a way that is really pleasant and fun and non-salesy. And if you want to become a very respected person in your community because you're actually doing good work and helping your local community's businesses thrive and flourish, take this workshop. It's free. Take the free trial to HighLevel. It's a free trial. It's awesome. If you get a customer, you can keep everything you charge them. It's great. So go ahead and enroll now before someone else gets your spot. Thanks so much for watching this. Enjoy this page, and I look forward to seeing you on the workshop. Take it easy.
All right. Well, you heard Frank. The workshop is free. The trial is free. Everything's free here. So if that sounds like something that you're into, click the link below now and save your spot before they fill up. All right. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside.